आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 9 September 2020. The headlines are Prime Minister Narendra Modi to hold the Swanidhi Samvad today with the street vendors from the Madhya Pradesh. Health Ministry issued the SOP guideline for the partial reopening of the school from 9 to 12th from the 21st of this month. COVID-19 recovery rate reaches 77.65% in country. External Affairs Ministry Dr. S. Jaishankar to attend the meeting of the Council Foreign Ministers of the SCOs in Moscow today. India and the Asia Development Bank signed the $500 million loan for the Delhi Meerut Region Rapid Transit System Corridor. IMD forecasts isolate the heavy rainfall in the northeast and the peninsular region of the India over the next 5 days. In US opening, the Naomi Osaka and the Jennifer Brady and Alexander Zverev enter in semi-final. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will hold the Swanidhi Samvad with the street vendor from the Madhya Pradesh this morning 11 am. The program will be telecast through the webcast and the re-registration will be also My Governance link PM events and cog.gov in. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan will be participate in the program through the video conferencing, and the Prime Minister will also interact with the 3 beneficiaries from the state by the connecting the virtually with them from the vendor's location. In the tweet, Mr. Modi said he is very eager about the Swanidhi Samvad, and during the special conversion, people will get the opportunity to know the experience of the hard-working street vendors of Madhya Pradesh. He said the heartening for that the 4.5 street vendors have the registered under this scheme in the Madhya Pradesh. Mr. Modi said it is a large number for the appreciate the government in the Madhya Pradesh for the union government had launched the PM Swanidhi scheme on the 1st June this year. It helped the poor street vendor and impact by the COVID-19 pandemic and resume livelihood actively. The Health Ministry has issued the standard operating procedure SOPs and the partially reopening the school for the 9 to 12 from the 21st of this month on the voluntary basis. This link for the sharing the notebooks, pens and then pencil, water bottle among the student, prohibited assemblies and the sport, encouraging online learning, entry of the asymptomatic person are some of the important points for the guideline. It says, however, the writing the concept of the student, parents and guideline will be required for such visit, and teacher student interaction must be organized in the staggered manner. According to the guideline, the seating arrangement to be made for the ensure the distance of the 6 feet between the chairs and desks and the teaching faculty will be ensured themselves, and the student was the mask without wearing the mask throughout the conduct the teaching or guidance activities. The concern the teaching and non-teaching employees up to the 50% of the strength may be called the school's online teaching, and the tele-counseling and the retate the work of the guidelines. Further saying the installation used for the Arogya Setu app may be advised where the feasible. The guideline also called the ensuring the regular counseling for the student, teacher, and reporting mental health issues such as anxiety, depression. SOPs set to the advisable teachers, school and the counselor and the school's health workers should be work in the unison. Ensure the emotional safety of the student. Cleaning and regulated disinfection using 1% sodium hydrochloride and frequently touches the surface like a door knob, elevator bottoms, hands and railings, chairs, benches, washrooms and the features will be made for the mandatory in all the rooms, laboratories, lockers, and the parking areas and other common areas before the being the classes at the end of the day. School of work be used for the quarantine center should be the properly sanitized and deep clean before the partially functioning is the resume. In the case student or the teacher employee develop the symptom, the ill person should be room or area where they are isolated from others and nearest medical facility should be informed. Andhra Pradesh Education Minister Edimulpa Suresh announced that exam date of the common entrance test and the SAT they will be held as per the COVID-19 guideline issued by the center. The common entrance tests should be scheduled for the held tomorrow and starting AP, ICET and which will be held for the 4 session on the 10th September 11. Candidate check the information related the exam date, downloads admit cards, exam dates, instruction on the AP SCHE website www.scheme.ap.gov.in. All exam centers will be sanitized after the complete each session and center will be housed the sanitizer, gloves, face mask, thermal scanning to ensure the safety environment. Ministry assured the parents that all safety precautions are in the place. The Tamil Nadu, the engineering undergraduate and postgraduate final semesters exam will scheduled to held for the 22nd to the 29th of this month. Anna University in the Chennai, which is conduct the examination, has said the statement examination will be held through the online mode on the objective type questions. Meanwhile, the total COVID-19 infection in Tamil Nadu has reached nearly 4.75 mark with the 5,684 people tested positively yesterday. Chhattisgarh is becoming one of the COVID-19 hotspots in the country. The number of the corona positive cases breached for the 50,000 marks and the state reported 2,554 fresh COVID-19 cases yesterday, taking the tally of the confirmed cases in the state of 50,114. In Bihar, the recovery rate of the COVID-19 to 89%. In the Gujarat, 1,295 new cases of COVID-19 were reported during the last 24 hours. The center has said the India's COVID-19 cases per million population among the lowest in the world, which is staying the 3,102. The comparison for the 3,525 cases of the world. White House, the coronavirus advisor, National Institution and the Allergy Infection Diseases, Dr. Anthony Fauci said that yesterday he was cautiously optimistic that the safe and effective vaccine for the novel strain of the coronavirus will be available by the end of the 2020. The quest for the safe and effective vaccine has become a political charge issue for the United States and world for the President Donald Trump, hitting there will be the one approved vaccine before the state election for November 3rd. India and the Asian Development Bank ADB signed the $500 million loan for the Delhi Merit Region Rapid Transit System Corridor yesterday, the first tranche for total $1 billion facility and build the modern and high-speed 82-kilometer Delhi Merit RRTS corridor will be improve region connectivity and mobility in India's National Capital Region NCR. You were listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 9 September 2020. We will take same bulletin on 10 September 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then, goodbye.
आइए हम आपको आज बताते हैं कि किस तरह से आपको लिमटी की लालटेन समाचार एजेंसी इंडिया या साई न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करना है। आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, आप यूट्यूब खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च बटन पर ऊपर जाइए, ऊपर सर्च बटन पर आप टाइप करिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE, इसके बाद आप एंटर दबाइए। जैसे ही आप एंटर दबाते हैं तो ये पेज खुल जाएगा। यहाँ पेज में आप देखिएगा ये इस तरीके का नज़ारा आपको दिखेगा। इसके साथ ही आप यहाँ देखिए LIMTYKHARE आपको लिखा दिख रहा है। इसके बाजू में आप राइट साइड में देखिएगा यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है। ये सब्सक्राइब बटन अभी लाल रंग का दिख रहा है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को आपको क्लिक करना है। जैसे ही आप ये सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करेंगे आप देखिए इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। ये आपने सब्सक्राइब की जगह सब्सक्राइब्ड लिखा आ गया, आपने इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, पर अभी आपका काम पूरा नहीं हुआ है। अभी आपको इसके बाजू में आप देखिए एक घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आप इसको अगर घंटी के बटन को प्रेस करेंगे तो 3 ऑप्शन आते हैं, ऑल, पर्सनलाइज्ड और नन। तो इसमें आपको ऑल बटन को पुश करना है। आप जैसे ही आप देखिएगा ये ऑल बटन पुश करते हैं, ये हाईलाइटेड हो जाती है घंटी। इसके बाद जितने भी समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया पर वीडियोस डलेंगे सारे के सारे वीडियोस आपको तुरंत दिख जाएंगे, देखने को मिल जाएंगे। ये हम आपको जो दिखा रहे हैं किस तरीके से आपको समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को की चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, ये पर्सनलाइज्ड और उसके बाद सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाइए। लाल के बाद वो लाल रंग नहीं